Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel again. So for today's vlog ay mag-aayos ako ng aking mga balikbayan box. So I have 2 boxes going to send to the Philippines. At ito naman ang aking pangalawang box. So right now guys, napaka-amazing dito sa ano ko. So mag-aayos tayo ng mga damit. Padala natin sa Pilipinas. So, ito yung aking balikbayan boxes. So, mga damit to guys na ayoko nang suotin. So, how gonna be on this? Look at this. Wow, it's very nice, baby. Look. Right? This is nice. And one here too. This one. Oh, diba? Ang ganda nito. So, ayan. Ito yung ano, mga damit ko na ayoko nang suotin. At saka ito. Magaganda to guys. Sana yung maka-ano nito is ingatan nila kasi iniingatan ko din yung mga damit ko. So, makita ko na suot-suot nila yung damit. So, this is nice too. This is nice. Yan. Sa red one. And this one. O, diba? Magaganda pa to guys. Yan. So, ito yun. At aayusin ko na to. And I wanna give to my mom. My mom gonna get this one. Kasi mahilig si mommy sa pasak. So I have some t-shirts. These t-shirts from Mikey.
See, I told you yesterday, don't bring this stuff up here.
What the heck, man? What the heck now? Ito guys, magaganda. This is from me. So, this is from me. Ang gaganda ng damit. Why you're so mean to me now? This is a like
I don't want
this
your
one.
boyfriend stuff
Stop!
over my house. It's like a slap in the face.
Okay. This one. Oh. This is all yours, right? Here. Babe. Ito, bigay ko to kay mommy. This is for my mom. So all these clothes ay going to Philippines. Mabuhay. So I'm just gonna I wanna next time. Not now. So ito yung pangalawa. So this is it. And ayan guys, it's ready to move to Philippines. Oh, napaka busy dito.